Welcome to the KetoViante My Honest Review. We reviewed 100 plus weight loss brands. You will be shocked at what we found. Don't buy until you read and watch this video till the end. Are you confused? Having some question in your mind about KetoViante? Blah blah blah, burr burr burr. What is KetoViante? What are advantages of KetoViante? What are disadvantages of KetoViante? Could KetoViante improve your sex life? How it works KetoViante. KetoViante have any special discount? How to use KetoViante. KetoViante free trial available now? What are KetoViante ingredients? How safe and effective is this product? KetoViante have any side effects? KetoViante real customer result. Where to buy KetoViante? How much cost? Does KetoViante a scam? What is doctor opinion? Does diabetes patient use it? 100% genuine, natural product? The cheapest price surety? Immediate delivery of your orders? 100% secure checkout? 30 days buyback guarantee? Same day dispatch on the order status? Who is buzzing about the KetoViante? I will clear your all question/confusion about the KetoViante. Please visit the website, click the below link, and read complete info of your answer. Click the below link know complete information about your confusion.